When you make an agreement to sell other companies' products on Amazon, do you set up different accounts or use only one? So you are only allowed one account on Amazon. That's all you're allowed. So you either can sell other people's products on your account, or you can get them to set up an account and then you access their account to manage their account. So for me, what I do is I do a hybrid depending on the situation. So I have, in Australia, for instance, I sell other people's products on my Amazon Australia account. That's all part and parcel of a strategy we're following in Australia. And in America, where I have a couple of businesses that I'm doing, I access their accounts. So for instance, the lovely Melinda Spink, who's very, very kindly let me set up an Amazon PPC campaign for her. I access Melinda's account to do all of that. So she gave me account admin privileges, and then I went in there, set everything up for her, recorded the whole thing, and that was the basis of the Amazon PPC training program. So there's two ways of doing it, Susanna, depending on what you want to achieve.
Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.